Hello YouTube, this is it. I think I've seen everything. HAMA has made a double power strip. This is like two power strips combined in one with two power buttons that powers on and off each row independently from one another. Plus we have some cable management, some 45 degrees angle for the plugs to plug in. This is childproof and we also have some surge protection. So let's open the box and check it closely. Now this is definitely a cheap but essential part to protect your PC or your home appliances and of course power them on. And we have here 5 plus 5, that makes a total of 10 sockets. And here we have the manual. There is nothing else in the box. We'll find all the information in one of the multiple languages of the manual. So you should read this for a proper use of this power strip. Here we have both on-off switches with an LED indication. So here we have some cable management here with some special fit to route the cables. So let's open this up from these twist ties. Now this is ideal to connect multiple devices, or if you want to connect two separate computers that you can manually connect or disconnect from your power grid. At least that comes to my mind. Now the cable here for the power grid of your wall is fairly long and it has a thick cable which is really nice. It can be routed here. To sum up, I found this product ideal for those who want a lot of power sockets. So this was the unboxing of the HAMA double power strip. Feel free to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.